time it is?
It's time for the weekly update.
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 1st, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Pre-sale for yearbooks has begun. Yearbooks cost $35 during pre-sale. After April 15th, prices will be up to $40 a book. Parents can purchase yearbook ads. The ads can congratulate your students or advertise a business. Save the date for our next Atlanta Skateway Night, Thursday, April 14th at 6 o'clock p.m. Atlanta Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Admission is $10 cash per person, and that includes admission and skates. The next day, Friday, April 15th, there is no school. April 21st is Kindergarten Roundup for all incoming kindergarten students. April 28th is Bring Your Child to Work Day. If you would like to bring your child to work with you, you must send your teacher an email or a note in order for the absence to be excused. Please send this in ahead of time. May 20th is high school graduation. May 23rd is 5th grade moving up ceremony for Ms. Spiegel, Ms. Lubin, and Mr. Ward's classes. May 24th is 5th grade moving up for Mr. Thornton and Ms. Colavito's classes. May 25th is our kindergarten moving up ceremony. May 26th is middle school moving up ceremony. And May 26th is also the very last day of school. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families. This is Mrs. Smith, the elementary school principal. We are taking our FSA test next week. Third grade will be taking their reading test on Tuesday and Wednesday, and fourth and fifth will be taking their writing test on Thursday. Please make sure you have your child to school on time and they are well rested and ready to do their best on the test. Our teachers and students have been working really, really hard this year. We're very proud of all they've accomplished. On Friday and Monday, we will be having some fun FSA pep rallies for our third, fourth, and fifth graders, and we're looking forward to celebrating some success and encouraging our students to do their very, very best. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Dvorak, elementary school counselor. I just wanted to get on today to share some positivity for this month. We celebrated our Sharks of the Month. Very excited that they continue to be respectful, responsible, and ready to learn. I'm also excited because I have begun planning our career day. It'll be Friday, May 20. It'll be in the morning, so parents, guardians, if you are available and willing to come volunteer for 2 hours to speak to some classrooms about your career. You'll go into 4 different classrooms to present. You'll be over in 2 hours, so we hope to have as many as we can. We haven't been able to do this in 3 years, so I hope that we can make this the best one yet. I already have the fire rescue coming, firefighters coming, the police, a chef, a plumber, a veterinarian. Just very excited for all that's going to happen for our kids. So please email me if you have any questions about it and if you're willing to help and speak to our kids about your career. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, Mr. Anderpont here. I'm with a couple of friends and we have some exciting news. All right guys, we have what? Three-peat! What does that mean? It's so fitting that we are just at the end of March and March Madness. For those of you that don't know anything about three-peat is when you win something 3 times in a row. And yes, we won Best of the Best in Palm Beach County for the 3rd time in a row, and we are excited. Take a look at our brand new shirt. Look at the front of the shirts here. We have Best PBMA and three-peat, and then on the backs we have the years that we won. These shirts are already online, so go online and get yours. Remember, you can wear this shirt to school any day, so get yours soon.
Hello, PBMA families. It's Dr. Powell, your secondary campus assistant principal, with some testing updates. First, I'd like to introduce Mrs. Lanza. You all might know her as our office assistant. She is now our testing coordinator. Yay, Mrs. Lanza, welcome. Testing season is upon us. April 6th and 7th, we will have our FSA writing for grades 6 through 10. April 6th will be grades 9 and 10. April 7th will be grades 6, 7, and 8. Parents and families, please make sure that our kids are in school on time, in time for breakfast so that we can get them tested and we'll have less chances for makeup. The remaining tests are in May and calendars will come out. And brand new this year is our Florida Civic Literacy exam, which is for our 12th graders, and that will be April 21st. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to still contact me or Mrs. Lanza, and we'll see you in the classroom.
Thank you to everyone who supported the Safety Patrol Car Wash. The students had a great time and raised a lot of money for their trip to SeaWorld. Grades kindergarten through second grades are visiting Delray Children's Garden. Some classes have already visited the garden. The students had a wonderful time learning about an eco-conscious garden, exploring nature, visiting the worm farm, and seeing unusual plants. The students also had free play time to play in a sandbox, and they even explored a mud kitchen. Secondary straight A student achievements were celebrated by enjoying bagels on the beach. And finally, here are the secondary sharks of the week. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.